Welcome to the Explainer. Let's dive into making your next corporate event much greener and way more efficient.
The big takeaway? Sustainability doesn't mean complicated logistics. It really just comes down to smart, highly efficient planning.
Here's our blueprint for today. We'll start with your venue, move on to catering, and finish up with tech.
Look at this stark contrast. Booking a central CBD venue drastically cuts down on everyone's travel emissions.
Ditch the cars. Offering clear public transit instructions early on totally slashes both event day stress and emissions.
Always match the room to your numbers. A massive half-empty space kills the vibe and just wastes energy. Now for catering. Grabbing exact dietary info during registration is a total game changer for preventing massive food waste.
Swap single-use plastics for reusable ceramics and water stations. It literally elevates the experience while slashing the trash.
We gotta ditch those heavy printed packs. Digital resources are way more sustainable and, honestly, instantly updatable.
You don't have to eliminate printing completely. Just stick to the essentials, like name badges and reuse directional signs.
Using a venue's built-in AV means zero transport for heavy temporary equipment, which drastically cuts down your setup time.
Avoiding these pitfalls really just takes organization. As you can see, the sustainable fix is always the smarter choice.
Sustainability applies to human energy too. Things like natural light and breakout spaces keep your delegates focused and happy.
Plan early and organize efficiently. So, how will you rethink the environmental footprint of your next big event?